Hi, I'm Pallavi Ambedkar and my husband Kapil Ambedkar. We are the founders of Flavors of Malvad at Shivaji Park, Dadar. So the biggest challenge to start the restaurant was to find the place for the restaurant, that is a location. So technically in 2023 Jan, we decided that finally we are ready to get out of the home setup and start a restaurant. So we've been looking for place since Jan 2023 and we actually found the place in Jan 2025. It took us 2 years to just find the place. Fortunately, we were lucky. We didn't have much problem. We had a small team working for us when we were we ran the home kitchen. So, with their help, we managed to build the entire restaurant team. And our chef at that point of time, or the helper at that point of time, actually became a savior. Bombil sandwich was something which I was going to make with normal green chutney. Like आपण जे पापलेट मध्ये भरतो ती चटणी त्याच्यामध्ये करणार होतो. I had done that. So bombil sandwich. But then once the thecha prawns started picking up a lot, like thecha everywhere. I said, why not put the thecha in the bombil and make it as a thecha sandwich? So that was the change from the basic chutney to a thecha's basic sandwich of a chutney to thecha sandwich. So whenever you hear the word Malwani food, it's all about thali. You know what? Thali is great. I mean, that's the best way you can introduce somebody to the food. But we have so many dishes in the a la carte section that, we have a lot of guests. We are actually literally 50% guests ordering a la carte and 50% ordering thali. So it's not just thali at our place. So I guess when they come in bigger groups, they all order different things and they get to try all the different dishes that are there on the menu. So I can't say we do only thalis, we do a lot of other dishes as well. See, the thing is, it's been just 4 months for the restaurant. But before that, as I said, we've been doing from home for the longest time. And we've been really blessed that whoever has tried our food has always come back. And the same thing is happening with the restaurant as well. We're just 4 months old and we're having a lot of guests who want to come back and have the food. That is because it reminds them of, it's nostalgia. It reminds, oh, my mother used to cook like that, or my grandmother used to cook like that. This is the food that we're really enjoying. It's so home-like. It's really, really home-like. It doesn't feel like a restaurant. Even the ambience is such that it feels like a house. So I'm loving the whole restaurant and the home fusion. That's what we wanted to serve. My husband and me had a dream, and it's exactly turning out the way we wanted it to. So yeah, so we're very glad that we are able to give our guests the nostalgia that they're looking for. So yeah, so to be very honest, earlier when we used to go to restaurants, we would be like, "Arey khana abhi tak nahi aaya." But now I understand that khana क्यों नहीं आया, क्योंकि अच्छा खाना बनाने के लिए time लगता है. It takes time, and yes, I mean, challenges are there, like, because whenever there is rush, and ours are mainly tawa fried items. Malwanis don't generally deep fry unless it's a koli vada or something like that. So tawa fried does take time, so you have to be really, really patient. So there is a lot of waiting, but now I can resonate with the other restaurant owners, like, what it is to have a crowd and then, serve the same quality, the same taste. So yeah, that is what it is. As I said, because we've been doing it for a while and we have a lot of guests who repeatedly come to us and used to order from us, and now they have started visiting the restaurant as well, So over a period, they have become friends. So when we started off, there's this one client of ours who travels the whole world, and he has one office in Mumbai, one office here, one office there, all over the world. Something is going on. So, and he's a big time foodie. But it's been almost 5 to 6 years that he's been ordering from us. Whenever he's in Mumbai, he makes sure he has food from Flavors of Malvan. So, as I said, we are new in the business, right? And we are still trying to hold ground and stabilize. So once that happens, we surely, my husband especially, wants to take it internationally, especially where the Malvan cuisine is lesser known. So yeah, that's the plan. Definitely the recipes from the mother and the mother-in-law. I mean, without that, you can't have this. I mean, that is something which cannot be bought. Just cannot be bought. It is really priceless. And it is the soul of Flavors of Malvan. Hospitality, according to me, is making the guest very comfortable. Like even when the guest is eating crabs, for that matter, because a lot of guests don't want to eat crab in a restaurant. So if you can make your guests feel comfortable eating crabs in a restaurant, that is hospitality to me. Yeah, so I would really like to thank Indian Hospitality Magazine for giving me this platform to share my views, and also Atithi Devo Bhava campaign, through which would like to urge a lot of hospitality students as well as non-hospitality students to get into the field. I mean, we started at the age of 42 and 43, and we have a restaurant at the age of 48. So it's never too late, and it's also not as bad as it is made out to be. Trust me. You need guts, you need passion, and you need hard work. But tell me which profession doesn't? Every profession on this earth requires that. So it's just like that. So get into it.